Hey guys, I'm Diksha, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to maintain clear skin without breaking your bank. But as usual, before we begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. So to get started, let's talk cleansers. Cleansers are a crucial step in any skincare routine. Lately, I have been loving the Lakme Micellar Pure Face Wash. This face wash retails for only $2.99 for 100 grams, which is a steal for how well this works. It is a creamy face wash which is powered by magnetic micelles that go deep inside the pores. It effortlessly yet gently removes dirt, pollutants, and even everyday makeup. Now, if your skin is inching towards the sensitive side, this is the Simple Facial Scrub. Blended with thyme, zinc, and witch hazel, this facial scrub cleanses deep down, eliminating all the pore-clogging dirt, oil, and makeup, relieving your skin of all impurities. Next up, you need to apply a serum onto damp skin for proper penetration and to restore the skin's natural moisture level. Another great option is the Pond's Anti-Pigmentation Serum for 499 rupees for 28 ml of product. It also comes in a smaller variant in case you want to try it out before committing to the full-size product. It is made up of 12% niacinamide complex. It is lightweight and fast absorbing. It boosts the skin's natural radiance and improves the skin's texture. Moving on to moisturizers, if you're on a budget like me, I highly recommend trying out the Simple Liquid Moisturizer for only Rs. 2.99 for 60 ml. Enriched with thyme, zinc, and witch hazel, it provides essential hydration and effectiveness against oil and spots. Finally, let's talk SPF. I have been using the Pond's Gel Sunscreen SPF 50, priced at only $3.25 for 50 grams. It's non-sticky, leaves no white cast, is quick absorbing, and contains both SPF and niacinamide C serum. This not only protects my skin from the sun rays, but also from the blue light and even from pollution. And that's how I maintain clear skin without spending a bomb. Do try it out. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!